With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome students. The given question is, water is pouring into a tank at a constant rate. When a tank is full, 10 pumps of equal capacity empty the tanks in 12 hours, while 15 pumps of the same capacity empty the tank in 6 hours. The time which 25 pumps of the same capacity take to empty the tank if the tank is initially full will be. Let each pump can fill the tank in X hours, and similarly let each pump can empty tank in Y hours. So each pump can fill in 1 hour 1 upon X tank, and similarly each pump can empty in 1 hour 1 upon Y tank. Now according to question, the given condition is 10 upon Y minus 1 upon X equals to 1 upon 12. Let this be equation first. And 15 upon Y minus 1 upon X equals to 1 upon 6. Let this be equation second. Okay. So we will subtract equation first from 2. We will get 5 upon Y equals to 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 12. This implies 5 upon Y equals to 1 upon 12, that is Y equals to 60. We got Y equals to 60. Now from this equation we'll get X, that is 10 upon 60 minus 1 upon X equals to 1 upon 12. This implies X equals to 12. We got value of X and Y. Now there it is given that there are 25 pumps. So if there are 25 pumps, then in 1 hour they will empty 25 upon 60 minus 1 upon 12, it is coming to be 1 upon 3 tank. Therefore it will take 3 hours to empty the tank. The required time is 3 hours. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.